Happy morning all. Thought for the day. Today's thought for the day will be shared with a small story. Once there was a father and son. The son went to his father and asked him what is the value of his life. And the father, without answering, gave him a piece of stone and told him, "You take this to the market. And if anyone is interested to buy the stone, don't say anything, just raise your 2 fingers. So the son was surprised. He took the stone to the market. A woman came close by and was interested to buy the stone. When the woman asked for the price, the boy didn't say anything, just raised his 2 fingers. So the woman was ready to buy the stone for 2 rupees. The boy came running home, asked his father and told the same incident that happened in the market. And the father said, "Yes son, now you take the same stone to the museum. And if anyone is interested to buy, don't say anything, just raise your 2 fingers. So the son took the stone to the museum. There a man came close by and asked for the price of the stone. The boy did the same thing, he raised his 2 fingers. So the man was again interested to buy the stone for 200 rupees. So the boy was surprised. He came running home to his father and told the same incident. Now the father said, "Lastly, the place where I want you to take the stone is a precious stone store. You take the stone to the owner and you show him the stone. And if he asks for the price, don't say anything, just raise your 2 fingers. So he went running to the precious stone store. He showed the stone to the owner. The owner was stunned. He asked the boy, "Where did you get the stone?" "And it is the rarest stone that I can ever see. And what is the price that you are selling it for?" The boy didn't say anything, raised his 2 fingers. So the owner was happily ready to accept the stone for 200,000 rupees, that is 2 lakhs. The boy was shocked, came running to his father and he said the same incident. And the father said, "My dear son, I hope you understood the value of your life. It doesn't matter where you come from. It doesn't matter where you were born, not the color of your skin. It matters where you place yourself, the people you are surrounded by, and how you wish to carry yourself." So I would say, if you wanted to spend your life in a market, you would be worth of rupees 2. If you wish to spend your life in a precious stone store, you will be shining like a diamond. So we should decide whether we want to be like a stone or a rock or shine like a diamond. So children, I want you to relate this with the present situation. We know we are all being affected by coronavirus, which has taken control of the entire world. Those who were insisting you not to take the mobiles are the ones who are asking you to take the mobiles, right? And this is just like a stone or like a diamond. If you want to choose a market, you can waste your time by playing games in your mobile. If you want to choose your precious stone store, use the time wisely, learn the lessons given by your teachers and spend the time. And I know all our children will shine like a diamond. Thank you children. Have a great day.